What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best dashcam front and rear with parking mode. So I made the list from personal opinion, in hours of research, and I've included different options for every type of buyer. As always, all links to the product mentioned in the video will be in the description box, down below. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So, here are the top 5 best dashcam with parking mode. The 5th product on our list is the THINKWARE N1 Pro. This is our pick for the best budget dashcam front and rear with parking mode. It is available for around $80. This camera measures just 2.5 by 1.5 by 0.9 inches. It's designed to suction cup to your windshield, but at that size, it shouldn't block your view in the slightest. The N1 Pro ticks all the important boxes: Sony 1080p image sensor, loop recording, night vision mode, collision detector, time-lapse photo mode, and optional GPS. The THINKWARE Dashcam is a tiny dashcam with a 1.5 inches LCD and a 160-degree wide-angle lens that produces full 1080p HD footage, and includes features like parking mode and collision detection. It includes features like 1080p to 30fps HD video with super night vision, seamless loop recording on micro SD cards up to 256GB, and a G sensor that automatically detects a sudden shake or collision and locks the footage to prevent the video from being overwritten even in loop recording. The 24-hour parking monitor motion-activated parking mode allows the camera to automatically record when it detects motion in front of your car. To take advantage of this feature, the power adapter should be plugged into an always-on outlet or hardwired to the battery. This way, if the dashcam is off and it detects a crash to the front of the vehicle, it will turn on and end recording after 20 seconds, and the recorded videos are saved and locked. Some of the pros for this product include: small and easy to install and use. Great day and night video. The battery lets the dashcam capture video when the 12-volt dies. However, a con for this product: buttons aren't the most intuitive. If you enable the time-lapse feature, the THINKWARE N1 will keep taking photos at the set time interval and then auto-edit them together to a video clip. This reduces the size of the video file. The dashcam also provides excellent audio quality. I also like that the power adapter has a nice blue LED on the end that plugs into your vehicle. Not only does it indicate power on/off, but it is a nice interior light. In 4th place, we have the Z Edge S3 1440p front and 1080p rear FHD dual dashcam. Our option for the best mid-range dashcam with parking mode. The Z Edge S3 dashcam is a budget dual camera setup that is usually priced at just under $100. The S3 model is compact and discreet. The solid black coloring allows your camera to blend in nicely with its surroundings. The S3 model has a 2.4-inch scratch-resistant LCD screen which will allow you to watch your videos or change the camera settings. It features high-definition cameras in the front and the back cameras, setting it apart from many other dual dash cameras. It records in 1440p in the front and 1080p in the back with a 150-degree wide-angle lens on both cameras, a G sensor, WDR, parking mode. It comes with a 16GB SD card but supports SD cards up to 128GB. If you plan on using this camera frequently, it's probably a good idea to upgrade your SD card since a 16GB SD card can only capture about an hour and a half of footage. The camera uses a CMOS image sensor and processor to capture images sharply. Audio is captured along with the video, but there is an option to record without audio. Here's also a battery that enables up to 30 minutes of recording once the engine is off, which is longer than many other dash cameras. The video quality is what you'd expect for an HD camera. It works pretty well and you can make out license plates fairly well. Night vision is always difficult with dash cameras, but the lighting is surprisingly good on footage recorded at night with this camera. Some of the pros of this product include: compact and discreet, easy to install and use, plenty of features, good image clarity. However, a con for this product: no sideward tilt adjustment on the mounting bracket. Additionally, there is a setting for the LCD screen to automatically turn off after not being used for a certain period of time, which is convenient. The camera itself does not mount with suction cups like other cameras, and instead it uses adhesive mounting brackets. It also features an 18-month warranty and lifetime support. The 3rd product on our list is THINKWARE U1000. It is available for around $490. If you are looking for the best 4K parking mode dashcams, look no further than the THINKWARE U1000. It is the latest and greatest from THINKWARE that features 4K UHD recording from the front-facing camera and 2K QHD from the rear camera. It is currently the highest resolution 2-channel dashcam on the market. The nighttime video quality is very impressive with the Sony Starvis sensors, front and rear. Energy saving 2.0 with the optional U1000 radar sensor drastically lowers power consumption in parking mode, making the U1000 one of the most powerful yet low power consumption 2-channel dashcam systems on the market. The THINKWARE U1000 is a cloud-ready dashcam. THINKWARE Cloud will add features such as driving impact notifications, vehicle locator, and phone alerts should a vehicle leave a specified zone, geofencing. The camera's inbuilt GPS system records your vehicle's location and speed in the video footage. You can turn the speed stamp off in the settings if you're concerned that this might work against you. The U1000 is mainly operated via Wi-Fi, as it doesn't have a screen itself. Free smartphone apps are available for Android and iOS. THINKWARE's PC and Mac viewer let you watch recorded footage on a bigger screen, together with a route and speed record. It's also possible to format the memory cards, change camera settings, and install updates with the viewer. A CPL filter is available for the forward camera, to reduce windshield reflections of the car dash when driving in direct sunlight. If you'd like to record at a higher frame rate, you can set the front camera to record at 1440p, 2560 by 1440 pixels, and 60 fps. At 4K resolution, it records a standard 30 frames per second. Some of the pros for this product include 4K UHD front recording, 2K QHD rear recording, real-time vehicle tracking via cloud, driving and parking impact notification. However, a con for this product, large 4K footage files require a larger capacity memory card. THINKWARE U1000 is one of the most advanced dashboard cameras. It is also one of the most expensive ones to date. The video quality of the forward camera is great. Especially at night, the front camera records very good footage, considering that 4K cameras usually struggle in low light situations. The second product on our list is BLACKVUE DR900S2CH. This is our pick for the best quality dashcam front and rear. It is priced at around $400. The BLACKVUE DR900S2CH boasts the highest video resolution yet from the BLACKVUE brand. The 8-megapixel CMOS sensor allows for 4K UHD video resolution with 4 times as many pixels as regular HD video. This won't change daytime viewing much but might provide better nighttime quality, which is important when you're trying to read the license plate number of a car driving down a poorly lit road. The frame rate is still at 30 fps and the viewing angle is 162 degrees, not wide enough to distort the image too terribly, but it still provides coverage of multiple lanes of traffic along with some periphery. High efficiency video coding allows 4K videos to take up the same space as regular HD video, eliminating this problem. This is also a great way to reduce storage space if 4K video isn't that important to you. Simply record in regular HD and you'll take up much less space on your SD card as with the previous model of the BLACKVUE camera. This allows you to take more footage, which is great if you are a frequent user of parking mode. The parking mode allows the camera to take power from the battery of the vehicle even when it is parked. In case of any movement, the camera will automatically record it, without even the presence of the car owner. Like most higher-end dash cameras, the BLACKVUE DR900S has a built-in GPS and a dual-channel Wi-Fi hotspot. Vehicle speed can be overlaid onto the video and the companion BLACKVUE app visualizes the route you took on that specific trip. Some of the pros of this product include, the recording quality of the camera is really good with nice peripheral vision. It has Wi-Fi technology with different bandwidths. You get parking mode available with the camera. However, a con for this product, the price is a bit high. The Wi-Fi can be used to download the video to your smartphone just like with any other camera, but there is a new over-the-cloud feature that allows the user to view the live video remotely and get push notifications on their phone. There is also free cloud storage and two-way voice communication. And coming in the first place, we have the THINKWARE F770 Full HD. This is our pick for the best overall dashcam. The THINKWARE F770 is no exception. This dash camera's main feature is that it integrates seamlessly to your phone through Wi-Fi connectivity. However, unlike other cameras, this one works without bugs or errors and, although pricey, is an extremely efficient tool to incorporate into your daily driving routine. The front camera video footage is provided at 9.5 megabits per second, with attached audio that can be toggled on and off when needed through a physical button. When the rear camera is in use, footage quality is reduced to 8 megabits per second. The purchase may come with a 32 GB or a 16 GB microSD card. The storage seems to be fine for most users. However, like other cameras, the F770 is prone to looping and replacing old videos with newer videos. The quality of the footage itself is high quality and definitely on the same level as a range of high-end dash camera brands. The F770 makes use of the adaptive color and contrast system for a wide range of hues to capture almost all details. Post-sunset recordings are no exception, as they showcase the road clearly with negligible light flares. There is no screen on the camera itself to view what is being recorded. Instead, users are meant to connect their phones and view the live footage through there instead. It is easy to understand how this might get complicated, as it introduces yet another layer to the process. Additionally, there might be moments where a smartphone is just not available. Some of the pros for this product include rear view camera option, built-in GPS, parking mode with permanent installation. However, a con for this product, smartphone required for setup and configuration. The smartphone app, with its built-in GPS system, also keeps track of the location of each clip. This added data is becoming exceedingly important in critical situations. More added benefits are the safety camera alerts. Warnings and notifications are delivered via voice feedback, useful for when driving, and screens and phones are out of reach.